Well, the day has finally come. I destroyed my first door drifting. I feel like this is an achievement for drifters, right? Like you go through your first door. Well, it's time to replace it. It looks real bad. This thing is really thrashed. It got destroyed at the event, but that's all right. We're gonna make it pretty again, okay? It's even worse because right when I got back without a window, not having a window anymore, the fires happened. We had crazy weather, like rained a little bit. Car's just disgusting, man. And there's ash all on the inside. Not only is it destroyed, but it's also dirty as all hell, which isn't helping at all. So let's clean this thing up. A car looks really weird without its door, I'm not gonna lie. This is the sketchiest feeling. All right, so I was going through the two doors, seeing what I want to transfer over, and I noticed like somebody really messed with the wiring on this new door I have, and I don't really trust it. The wiring's like been exposed for a long time. It's looking pretty dry and faded, but mine, it's all nice and wrapped. Everything's very clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this door harness out of this door, the old door, and I'm gonna put it on my new used door. Look at that, dude. What is this?
Dude, a perfect bash bar imprint.
I didn't really pay attention to it.
What is that? Oh, that's the tape. Yeah. Yeah. We know who.
Oh yeah. Oh sorry, Dip Auto did that one. My bad, Dip Auto did that one.
All right, so I went inside and I came back and there's stuff that happened here. What?
Okay,
Tell us
so
what happened.
Getting the handle and locking mechanism is already a pain in the ass. And when you smash in the door, it makes it even more of a pain in the ass. So I just got out the angle grinder and I started cutting. Because I was like, the door's already ruined, I'm not gonna hurt anything. I did have to cut the window rail, but that's because it's smashed against the bottom, so.
Oh, you couldn't.
I couldn't pull it out if I wanted to.
Dang. Wait, give this video a thumbs up if you think he should just run no door.
Dude, no way. You sat in there, you know how sketchy that is.
It's pretty terrifying. So I'm the passenger, I'm filming. Ah, yeah, we're having a great time. Oh, no!
A wheel just hops up in the air.
I can't die in these Berks, dude.
This shit is stupid.
I hate to say it, but man, the S chassis made a way simpler door setup.
I'm upset Bayrod wants me to stop for today because I'm starting to throw things. Yeah, I think the old handle got bent, so now it won't sit flush, so now this.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow night.
Bullshit, bro. Follow me on the gram, baby. Follow me on the gram. Wow. Make a key, bring the window back down. That's what I did.
Good job, buddy.
It worked. Angle grinder is the next step.
Drill's a good idea. Angle grinder, drill. Vote below.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
New idea. Hitting it from the back. But angle it towards the other.
We just kept upping the drill bit size.
That's the top half. Didn't look like anything happened.
I'll give him the clamps.
Me and Bayrod are idiots. We destroyed that door handle. I gotta go get a new door. Well, I just need the handle, but my buddy's gonna sell me a whole new door. So I guess I'll have a spare door and a working handle. I'm gonna be picking this door up from my buddy Spencer. He has an Instagram that's dedicated to just selling E36 parts. He has a lot of them. And he's been a huge help as I've lived in this area and needed BMW parts on the fly. He's super quick with it. Just, you know, if you're gonna message him for parts, don't leave him on red, and you know, don't be an ass and don't ask if it's available and not do anything about it. So, you know, anyways, just be a courteous buyer. He always hooks it up, and I really appreciate him. Really cool dude, sick cars. He honestly, insane driver. All right, so we have the goods here. We have our handle. Now the important part here, we're gonna go ahead, there's a pin right there, that guy. We need to knock that pin out of the back of the lock cylinder. There we go. There you go. Now, should be able to take our key, put it in, and just like that, we're good. We're gonna take our new one, we're gonna go ahead and slide it in. Should be all the way in, and it is. And we'll go ahead and take our little pin here. We're just gonna tap it back in there. All right, that is a mission success. The lock works. All good. You have got to be kidding me, bro! I tested the window regulator and the window exploded. Wow, dude. I cannot believe this. Dylan just got here, just saw the catastrophe that is my life.
Quick release window. I don't know what you.
Nice, nice. We were trying to figure out like why it went wrong, and Dylan brought up a good point.
The window was chipped, and I did a quick Google search, and it said if your window is chipped, that can cause it to spontaneously shatter.
Explode!
I noticed that yesterday when we were working on it, and I was like,
Yeah, it was on the top, huh?
there was a little chip on the top.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering if that's what caused it, because this guy, go follow this guy's channel.
There you go,
his shit
nice
doesn't
cut.
break.
Yeah.
Well, I take that back.
Well,
Whoa, I've broken a number of windows in my time.
Yeah.
Not this way.
3 doors in a row, maybe. Let's get a 4th. Maybe.
The structural integrity of the window had already been compromised, is what you're saying.
Yes. I mean, I also there's definitely something wrong that caused too much tension on the window, but I think the chip probably had a huge factor in it. But I'm gonna go cry myself to sleep now.
Here's what.
Oh my god. I got so upset, I literally walked away for a couple days. I have not even wanted to look at this car because this just really aggravates me deep in my soul that this happened. Who would like to help me get my door off? Hey, need a hand? Sir, you get a good grip on those bolts before you got them. Trace out of Quattro, ready? Is this on? This isn't going well. Fucking no looker right there. Such a NASCAR that just yelled at me.
Cut the vlog, man. Hey.
This bad boy can fit so much depression in it.
Dude, this freaking door. I can't
Let's try it
believe.
again, man. I got an idea, alright? You put...
Wait. Try that. What? Okay. Tell him what happened.
Alright, bro, early. We were gonna do a dramatic reenactment, but it didn't work out, okay? So we were over here. Bayrod's just pulling the handle. I'm like, I'm so sick of this stupid car, dude. I just come in here. And while he's pulling it, and it just goes, bloop.
Yeah, we didn't film any of that, and then we were both looking at each other like, did that really just, it literally just opened?
It was unreal.
And then we were like, let's film it and reenact it for the audience. And then I wanted to show you guys that it still doesn't work, and it did work. Well, here's the thing. Actually, when we punched it and it opened, it was only working from the inside, not the outside. And now it... Hey, you want me to open it? Oh, you can open it yourself! Hey, right here. Insert meme. You could fit so much glass in this door. Do you hear it? I thought you vacuumed it.
I did! Did you? Go back the clip.
Wait, run it back. You got a door! All right.